guys, welcome to a new video, and I'm just outside, well, just across the road from Blackpool Pleasure Beach. I'm just looking now at the ice blast ride. You can probably tell there's a lot of scaffolding up there. Yeah, it's pretty much near the top of that. But anyway, yeah, we're on the promenade still. As you can tell, we've actually got this bit of a colour scheme going on. Bit of red concrete and a bit of greyish concrete. There's South Pier that we left off in the previous video. Yeah, you got the big one in the distance just there, which is going up the lift hill as we speak. So yeah, try and beat the coaster if I can. You'll get to see it going any minute, right now. Watch for it going around this helix any time soon. There it goes. Yeah, going off Pleasure Beach a little bit. Here is the South Promenade, which is very nice indeed in itself. Yeah, it's so nice and quiet down this neck of the woods. It's a shame to see it so quiet around this area though. Because it's so nice and busy up towards the town centre. But as soon as you leave town centre and come down here, it just seems all quiet. I think it's mostly 9 times out of 10 be locals. But hopefully Pleasure Beach is making up for it. So you got the helix there for the big one, and all the way up there is the first drop of the hyper coaster. Yeah, one funny thing is, I used to play Roller Coaster Tycoon back in the day. I always tried to copy the big one. When I knew about the big one, I tried to replicate it on Roller Coaster Tycoon, and I could not do it. Yeah, it's a hard ride to replicate. I'll tell you that one now. Because it's about, 235 feet, and the lift hill takes its time. I think it's about, I'm not sure actually. Once you look at it, it probably doesn't take as long as what it actually feels like to be on it. Yeah, it takes a good couple of seconds. And there's the infusion. I wonder if they'll both go at the same time. Well, it's neck and neck at the moment. And nope, infusion has won it. And there goes the bigger one. Not long after. Thing is though, on the big one, you get your speed. Oh, been in there, aren't you? Realise it. One question is though, the big one. I wonder how long they can keep it running for before they have to decommission the ride. I mean, surely there's got to be plenty of years left in it. I know they're replacing the track because that needs doing. But what about the support stuff, for example? What if they ever needed replacing? Hopefully they don't. But you got all your weather elements, you've got corrosion to think about, or do they treat it every so often? I mean, I like to think it'll last for years to come. But they can't keep it there forever. Nothing lasts forever. Yeah, there's one more look at the big one. We are pretty much right opposite that drop. Then you follow it all the way around over there. And yeah, unfortunately we've lost the helix. Because we're quite a way up the promenade. Well, quite way up down the prom. There's the Boulevard Hotel. You got the big one going up again. Yep, it's going up. It's not far from the top. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, hit the like button, hit subscribe, ding dong that notification bell. I'll catch you all in the next video. Take care, peace out.